Hi, my name is Hilda. I came to see AJ at North Med Dental about 8 months ago, primarily because I had missing teeth and I realised that I needed to do something about it. So I saw an ad on social media, and I think what attracted me to it was that the people were friendly, they looked young. I felt that perhaps their technology was up to date, and so I gave them a call. I think it was probably one of the best decisions I made. The changes for me was that I came in, they saw me, checked out the work that I had to have done, and as a result I've had implants put in and some crowns. I think the best thing that's come out of it is that now my smile, my family said to me that I smile a lot more than I used to before, and I think I'm a lot more confident about my appearance and what I'm capable of. So one of the key changes too that I've noticed, well, for me personally, is that as a result I realised that I needed to do not just my teeth but also needed to look after my own health. I started exercising about 8 weeks ago, and as a result, again, that's probably been some of the best things that I could have done for me personally. I'm enjoying life. I'm enjoying the fact that I don't have to be embarrassed about my smile, and most of all, just the fact that life is good.